When you hear that, my viewers, JCF go over Braeton and go pronounce a local juvenile when I live no life yet. Get to youth, be careful on a friend and company them wanna walk up and down with. Okay, so when JCF come in on a community or pound a lane, them no care about uno. Them only care about the information where them get. And from them get the information and here so now walk up and down with gunman and wanted man. Una go get it. So no welcome to my channel. And welcome to another Braeton review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. The killer them pull up a Demarie foot a Kentire and make it up more Braeton. Plus the low life bad boy them strike again. And they go show now the residents them a go on a Braeton for the little juvenile we drop out. So no pre this. So the residents them a block road a Braeton Portmore. I say them a protest for the youth you wanna see on the screen when name Nahiem. Where JCF go bust out the youth head in a yard a Braeton, me a tell you no. Left the youth flat pan him face. Fall up in a yard. And as you can see, the juvenile they ever live no life yet. I'ma want the youth them every day. So be careful on a friend and company wanna party, you know. Okay, so when JCF get information and compound a lane or in a community, them no care about uno. Them only care about the information where them get. And once as them here say, had him that, and him parry that killer there, and them crew name this, and at them a start warring at the place and I walk up and down with gun at night time. Wanna think I got me to know for uno. Una go get it on no face youth, and then when una dead and gone, a fool no family versus them. And who no think I go win? Eh? Remember me always tell you know. So you can't worry the system, you know. And you can't beat the system. Because the system always a win for years now. So see me, my viewers. You, them a take up themselves and a walk up and down with Gvnman. And I feel like say them a wicked man. And then when JCF pull up at them foot and pronounce them bid roadblock and all type of thing. When you no should have won on no family. And tell them say JCF now joke a road. Tanning on a yard. Even though I in a yard that youth you get it. But as I say, be careful when you do out they get to youth. The thing and time change boy ya. This are not like one time. In the come can't help none of uno. Uno no see what go on. So see me look who juvenile we get it a Braeton. Residents them a say them want justice, but it's a million people say them want justice boy and all. No, we can't see that justice they come. So no better join the line and pick a number. Some people walk with me and now see the youth you wanna see on the screen when name Demarie from Kentire. The killer them pull up on him foot and make it up my Braeton. See it ya? All of the youth them a go get it boy ya, you know. Cause the youth them now listen, you know. When I know JCF a pull up on the foot and the app them a go pull up on the foot and spread on out, you know. So no can stay there, yeah? Push, make man tell you no about for fight idiot war for them. Run up and down in a community but now defend dirty lane and dirty scheme. And see how that a go work out for no for uno. Cause see the time and the energy when no for uno waste in a badness. Prefer uno they take it and go do something else. Cause nothing in a badness, you know. No for uno fight war for some man and some man can't even pay uno. Some man they've now go na dollar. Uno just a run up and down for free. So see me Demarie from Kentire, mount a 9 ball in fire, till see it ya, killer them come fire some in a theme head. Some people, I go show you that video ya, you know, show you the low life bad boy them tapping in the man yard and gone with the man car. My viewers, wanna see how the low life bad boy just walk in the man yard and just take out the man car and just gone with it like a female like him live there, eh? Yes, he say enough of them boy them nah go tap until them mirror get splash out a road. Cause them a go keep on do this thing ya. Worse him get away with that car ya. Wanna think I got that build up him confidence. Tomorrow, next week, next month again, him gone on more mission again, gonna go take care again. Cause most of the youth them now want work boy ya. Them rather easy living. Them rather somebody come give them money and them just sit down so and I play like them a top man. Viewers, go on a look a story. What day I see two little youth and me I say, yo, what me gonna no go look at work? You know what the youth them tell me say? The youth them a ask me one name work. The man them tell me say, yo, a modern time now in a G. We now have to work for get rich, you know. So me say, oh, now go get rich in a life then. What now go do? Ball pan the media like Rosalie, embarrass on herself, put on a body pan the counter. The man them say, dog, a whole heap of ways the boy have to get rich now. Media badness. And me I say, alright then. Do what no want do. A fool no life. Half of me and no father. And dig off left them me I tell you no. Me said that for said this. For sure no say the youth them a think different. The youth them not think like back in the days. Where them a talk about go look 9 to 5 and this. The youth them a bit say them can get rich without a 9 to 5. But me want know how them a go do that. They hear that? Some of viewers set away boy ya. And them boy ya, them take the car ya mandevil. So anyone see that little black Toyota ya, just know say a thief it get thief a mandevil. Them no own it. Right now police a look feet and all type of thing. So see it there, low life bad boy them strike again me I tell you no more viewers. But I saw it go, them nah go look no work. Them nah go stop prey upon the citizens them of Jamaica. Them a termite, ticks in a dog them be. So more viewers, I go take away myself you know. Stay safe on road. Protect on the 3 points. When you don't know my code. A life over death. You see me?
Refugees, we kill them up on the night and them a dead for free. We pull up full suit at the neck of Jordan 23 in a nursery. A murder in a first degree. Me work it be, me dopey them a lurk.